Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today. We're on the top floor. It's only a low-rise building, and we got a plug toilet that we got to deal with today. And this unit is being renovated, so I don't know what happened to the toilet. It's all blue. Somebody put something in the back of the tank. So let's see if we can get this cleared out. We're going to use the auger. Let's try the plunger first. Yay, we did it. Nice. Gonna flush it a few more times, make sure everything's running good. See, they put that, I guess it's like a bowl cleaner or something inside there. So let's get some paper to test it out. If you guys like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and ask me any questions if you want. I answer all the questions. I was also thinking about doing a experiment. I know Roger Wakefield did one with the flushable wipes from Cottonelle, and he was also sponsored by it. So if you guys would like to see an experiment from me, just let me know in the comments down below. Thanks. one more shot and all right, guys, I think we're good. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Taragna.